everyone, welcome back to new content of Cybrosys. In today's video, we will discuss about product reference price in Odoo 18 website. The product reference price in Odoo 18 website is a valuable feature that allows you to display a secondary price per unit of the measurement on your product page. And this can be especially useful for the product sold in various units such as grams, kilograms, liters, providing the customers with a clear understanding of the cost per unit. So let's say how does it work? So in order to do with this product reference price, we just need to configure this feature from the website module. For that, you can just dive into the website module. So let's search for the website module over here and let's move on to the configuration settings. And from there, as you just drag down under the shop products, you would be able to find this feature. So here you can see the product reference prices, add a reference price per product per UOM on product, that is it can be kilograms or in addition to the sales price. So once this is done, let's move on to a product. For managing a product, you can just move on to the e-commerce and let's move on to the product over here. I'm going to consider the product which is Apple, and let's move on to the product over here. So let's search for the product Apple, and here you would be able to find that the sales price of the product is given over here as $7 per kg. And the cost is 3.50. And here you can see the base unit count. So here we know that 1 kg of apple, which means that would be 1000 gram. So for 100 gram, it will be 1 cent, which is indicated over here. Okay. So as you just move on to the website, here you can see that the customer can easily find that over here. So you can see that the cost of 1 kg of apple is also given over here, as well as the cost of 100 gram also is given over here. Now, if the customer wish to buy this item, he can just add the item to the cart, and he can just view it from his cart. So he would like to purchase the item. So let's move on to the checkout process or with the payment process, and we can just go with pay with demo, and let's make the payment over here. So this ensures that your units of measurements are clearly defined and consistently used throughout your product catalog and all. So that's how we just deal with the product reference price in Odoo. So by effectively utilizing the product reference price feature, you can enhance the shopping experiences on the Odoo website by providing the customers with the essential information to make informed decisions of purchasing the items. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video.